In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a customer list into Xero software. Whether you're getting started with Xero for the first time or simply updating your records, this guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring that you can manage your customer data with ease. So, let's begin. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Xero website. It's essential that you're already logged into your Xero account to proceed. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the menu bar. You're going to search for the Contacts tab, which is usually located near the top of the screen. Clicking on this tab will take you to a new screen where you can manage all your contacts within Xero. Now that you're on the Contacts page, the next thing you want to do is click on All Contacts. This option will give you an overview of all the existing contacts stored in your Xero account. It's a helpful feature that allows you to see what's already there, ensuring you don't duplicate any entries when you import your new list. With the All Contacts page open, you'll notice a series of 3 dots typically located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. These dots are your gateway to more options and functionalities within the contact management section. When you click on these 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with multiple options. From this menu, you'll want to select Import. Doing so will take you to the section of Xero where you can upload your customer list. The import page is straightforward, keeping things as simple as possible to facilitate a smooth data upload. Look for the Select File button, which is prominently displayed. Clicking this button will open a File Explorer window on your computer. From here, you can navigate to the specific location where your customer list file is stored. This is a critical step, so if you've prepared your list beforehand, ensure it's easily accessible. Common formats for this list include Excel or CSV, as they're compatible with Xero's import function. After you've located and selected the correct file, you can proceed to import your customer data into Xero. The software will guide you through any necessary mapping or verification processes to ensure the transition of data aligns with your existing records. Should you encounter any discrepancies or errors, the platform typically provides on-screen prompts to help resolve them efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your customer list into Xero. This process not only keeps your data organized, but also enhances your efficiency by ensuring all customer information is centralized within your accounting software. Stay tuned for more tutorials on optimizing your experience with Xero, and as always, happy bookkeeping.